What are you doing?
I don't know. Okay, so it's soil test time. Soil test time? Soil test time. Okay, so we have the soil that we made, our compost. See in there? All nice. And then this is the soil from our bed back there that we tried to grow stuff in.
Where we grew the garlic?
Garlic, yes. Garlic grew great. So yeah, we got, what, nitrogen? Beans on toast?
Beans on toast?
Go for that?
Yeah, let's do it.
Get it ready, because you got to have it warm, right? So.
Right.
Okay, so I have to cheat a little bit here.
And it's not cheating, it's just the directions.
Right. Okay, I still don't know which is which. Is green nitrogen?
No, green's pH. Isn't it?
Yeah. Okay. So, yes, this is the pH test one. Purple's nitrogen. Blue is phosphorus. And orange is potash. Again, I'm saying words that I have no idea. Okay, so we're gonna put in, aside from the nitrogen test that we do in the actual
pH
test that we do in the actual test tubes.
We do them all in the test tubes, but we only add the soil to the...
Right, we add the soil to these with little distilled water. And yeah, so we'll see, we'll just do a comparison. I don't know what the results are gonna mean or anything, but
or if we're gonna do anything about it.
Yeah, we probably won't do anything about it, but it'll probably be interesting. Well, we might do something about it. Yeah. We'll put our compost on it. Fix everything. Okay. What we're doing. Tablespoon. Gotta keep it scientific.
We didn't wash those jars either.
Yeah, they're fine. 5 parts or 4?
5.
2. 4. 5. 1. 3.
There's enough for us to do 2 in there, so we have enough water. You're gonna do, yeah.
1.
You're gonna be more serious now.
7. Again, I'm using measuring spoons for dirt. Then we shake.
Yep.
Okay, this word actually could get confusing. How much do I shake for?
You have the directions on your lap. We had them there.
There's no source. What? I did not. Well, edit that out. YouTube. Okay, so that's that one. Okay, so that's that.
Okay. So
Now we wait.
Yeah, but you could do the pH test now.
Nitrogen?
Yeah.
Science. Okay, so it said fill it. What did it say? Read it together. pH. Remove cap. Fill tube with soil to first line. Just tell people that we're in a magazine. We're famous.
It's on page 31. If you
Page
got that email.
30.
Yeah.
Gardening magazine, I think it's called. Most improved player award. Okay.
All right.
Now let's see, you gotta be really careful with this. Duh.
And
Now
how
fill it up to the add water, preferably distilled, which this is to the 4th line. Where's the 4th line? 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, almost full. Oh.
Ooh.
Okay. Yeah. No. Science.
Maybe put a cap on it before you do something.
No,
Oh,
no,
okay.
no. It's got to be. You gotta... Should I just take some out of that, put it in there?
No, no, no.
I guess an eyedropper would be perfect. Bam.
Shake, shake, shake.
Yep. This is where I'm going to prove men can do more than 2 things at once, though.
Isn't it
Maybe.
the same thing, though?
And I'm going to read. Color compared. No, I can't do it. Thoroughly allow soil to settle, develop for a minute. Compare the color to the pH chart.
Do you have to shake for a minute?
No. Okay. They're both really green. So this is the compost. And this is the soil, the bag soil that we spent a fortune on. So we will see. Okay. Drum roll. So this is the chart. That's what you're looking for right there. That green. That means you're a little bit alkaline. And this means that you're a little bit acidic. So the soil from the garden bed is, I'd say, neutral, right?
I'd say those 2 things are...
Neutral.
Yeah.
Okay.
That is very close.
And then ours, which is darker, but it's not like that. So it's probably like, what, 7.5, somewhere in there?
Or like 7.2. Like, it's not super...
Right. It's not nearly like, it's not like dark green. So, yeah, it's in there somewhere.
So, in your directions, there's a chart for what plants prefer.
Mm-hmm.
Does anything prefer a more acidic
pH.
soil?
Acidic would be low, right? Lower? Well, tomatoes and potatoes are 5.5, 4.5, up to 7.5, and up to 6. Carrots, 5.5 to 7. Fruits looks like acidic for sure.
Isn't acidic up to 8, babe?
Am I going the wrong way with this?
Yeah, I think so. So...
No.
Oh, no, sorry, you're right.
Ha 50-50 chance right there. Okay, so... I mean, really, I think it's good. I mean, you wouldn't... Even if we knew what to add, we probably wouldn't, right? I mean, it seems good. I don't think you want to mess with
I
it.
think the only thing we could add is something to make it slightly more acidic.
Daffodils, like, a little bit acidic. Hydrangea blues. Weird. Hydrangea blue is 4 to 5, which is acidic. And hydrangea pink is 6 to 7.
Yes.
How the...
That's what changes the color, is the pH of the soil. That explains why our hydrangeas are more pink than blue, because our soil is more neutral.
It's not science. That's just wizardry. Okay. Cool. So our soils are good
We do
for pH.
Yes, we do, however, have some
Oh. Science.
Ooh, it's lunchtime.
Okay. Or. Okay, so purple is nitrogen. Orange, potash. Blue, phosphorus. I think we incorporate this into the video. Maybe. We'll see. Might be a very long video though. Okay, now they sit for 10 minutes.
Okay.
Okay.
Timer on.
Okay. So we've done the tests. This is our compost. So alkaline is high. Our nitrogen level is between low and very low. Our phosphorus is very low. And our potash, I would say, is low. Maybe low medium, somewhere in there. And this might be low medium too. Or this would be very low to low. It's much darker down at the bottom, so I don't know what that means. But so this test is telling us that our soil is kind of all out of whack, but then it grows that. So I don't get it. Maybe people out there can help, but
Maybe what Dowding and Richard Perkins says is true, that you don't need those silly soil samples. You look at your plants.
yeah, because by this it looks like, oh no, we got to do something, but by that you absolutely don't have to do anything. Like I've never grown lettuce like that in 2 weeks. Like, I mean, I've only been growing lettuce for like 3 months, but kidding me? So yeah, interesting. Kind
Interesting.
of, but I really don't.
Well, let's test the garden soil and see if there's a discernible difference.
The garden soil is going to be perfect. It's going to be perfect. Everything's going to be perfect.
The stuff that we can't grow anything in?
But we can't grow anything in it.
Okay.
So I don't know.
Yeah.
Okay,
let's
so pH. This is the compost that we took out of our raised bed. It's mainly comprised of the bag soil that we'd buy. So the pH is pretty much medium. Neutral. The potash looks like it's neutral.
Medium.
Neutral, medium. Isn't that the same thing? I think. The phosphorus looks very low. And oh look, the nitrogen. Nitrogen, high, medium, low, very low, and then non-existent. We'll put it there. I don't know what that means, but yeah, stuff doesn't grow as well in the raised bed, in that raised bed, except the garlic grew really good. So I don't know if we did the test perfectly. We could have probably let it sit longer, but yeah, I think the best thing to do is just look at your plants, like Perkins and Dowding say. I mean, if your plants are growing good, does it really matter?
Well, and the plants that grew in the soil that have these test results actually didn't grow good. I mean, they did okay, but I think they did okay because we added fertilizer.
Yeah,
just a regular.
Every 2 weeks we'd add expensive fertilizer to it. So, Yeah. I don't know. Maybe the compost that we made is just super high in nitrogen, and it will need something soon, but maybe not. And again, I've never seen lettuce grow that well before either. So.
And if all we want's lettuce anyway,
Yeah.
that's good times.
Yeah. Okay.
Good job.
Enough soil testing for us.
Okay.
Done.
We're done with it.
Yeah.